Welcome to the channel. Today, we are exploring 5 fascinating curiosities about Dubai, a city that has transformed itself from a small desert settlement into one of the most extraordinary cities in the world. Dubai is known for luxury, innovation, and record-breaking projects. But behind the famous skyline, there are many surprising facts that make this city truly unique. Let's discover some of the most interesting ones. Let's start with the most famous landmark in the city. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, standing at an incredible height of 828 meters. To understand how tall that is, imagine stacking 3 Eiffel Towers on top of each other. The building has more than 160 floors and includes offices, luxury residences, restaurants, and observation decks, where visitors can see the entire city from above. On clear days, the view can extend for more than 90 kilometers. When it opened in 2010, it changed the skyline of Dubai forever and became one of the most visited attractions in the Middle East. Now let's talk about something even more unusual. Dubai has built artificial islands that can be seen from space. Palm Jumeirah is one of the most famous examples. The island was constructed in the shape of a palm tree and created using millions of tons of sand and rock placed into the Persian Gulf. It contains luxury hotels, beaches, apartments, and private villas. What makes it even more impressive is the scale of engineering required to create land where there was once only water. Palm Jumeirah is considered one of the largest artificial islands ever built. Another curiosity about Dubai is its indoor ski resort located inside a shopping mall. Ski Dubai is found inside the Mall of the Emirates and offers real snow in the middle of the desert. While outside temperatures can exceed 40 degrees Celsius during summer, inside the resort, visitors can ski, snowboard, and even meet penguins. The facility maintains temperatures around -1 degree Celsius to keep the snow in perfect condition. This contrast between desert heat and indoor winter sports perfectly illustrates Dubai's ambition to create experiences that seem impossible. Dubai is also home to one of the largest shopping destinations in the world. Dubai Mall is not just a place for shopping. It includes more than 1,200 stores, an aquarium with thousands of marine animals, an Olympic-size ice rink, and direct access to the Burj Khalifa. Every year, millions of visitors pass through its doors. The mall has become more than a commercial center. It is a major entertainment destination where people can spend an entire day exploring restaurants, attractions, and luxury brands. Finally, let's look at the incredible speed of Dubai's development. Just a few decades ago, the area where the modern city stands was mostly desert with small fishing and trading communities. Today, Dubai is one of the most modern cities in the world, filled with skyscrapers, advanced infrastructure, and international businesses. The discovery of oil helped start the transformation, but the city's leadership focused heavily on tourism, finance, aviation, and technology to build a diversified economy. This rapid development has made Dubai a global hub connecting Europe, Asia, and Africa. These curiosities show why Dubai captures the imagination of millions of people around the world. A record-breaking skyscraper, islands built in the sea, skiing in the desert, massive shopping destinations, and one of the fastest urban transformations in modern history. Dubai represents a vision of what can happen when ambition meets innovation. If you enjoy discovering fascinating places around the world, consider subscribing to the channel. There are many more destinations and curiosities waiting to be explored. Now, I would like to hear from you. Which of these Dubai curiosities surprised you the most, and would you like to visit Dubai one day? Tell us in the comments.